economical solution for all your general-purpose water filtration needs to provide cleaner, clearer, better-tasting water throughout your household. Pairs best with Pentair OMNIFilter U24, U25 and U30 10 standard filter system, fits all 10 standard filter housings and can replace any 10 by 2.5 carbon filter cartridge. Dual-purpose cartridge filters out fine sediment particles and reduces unwanted taste, odor, and chlorine taste and odor from your tap water, for use with chlorinated water supplies. Constructed of carbon-impregnated cellulose media with external netting for additional strength and dirt holding capacity. 15,000-gallon capacity. Replace every 3 months or when you notice a drop in water pressure or water quality. Standard cartridge. For use with chlorinated water. Cleaner, clearer, better-tasting water for the household. Reduces sediment, rust particles and chlorine taste and odor. Fits standard OMNIFilter whole house systems. Sediment cartridge for filtering and removing sediment. Carbon-wrapped filter cartridge reduces chlorine taste and odor. 5 micron, 5 GPM. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I needed for my home. I am extremely pleased with this filter, it is exactly what I needed. I actually just replaced an older whole house filter and what an amazing difference it makes. It was very easy to replace the filter. Once complete, I ran each faucet for about a minute or two, and you can definitely tell the difference. And to be honest, the original filter wasn't that bad at all and most really liked the water that was filtered through it, but I changed the filter not expecting much difference, just peace of mind, but boy did it make a difference. I will be replacing my home water filter more often because it doesn't seem like much but it really makes a difference.